Alright, y'all, so we're back with another video, man. As y'all can see, man, I'm building my PC, my dream PC. I've been waiting on this day since I was little, man, and let's get right into it. Alright, here we got the Ryzen 7 5800X. Alright, y'all, this is the first piece, it's your SSD. So this is what you need for your storage, and yeah, let me unbox that real quick. You have the RAM. This is I forgot what to do, but you need it. That's all you gotta know from me. You need it. I'm not no expert. I'm just doing this my first time. So don't come to me trying to be your PC guy. I can't help you. I can't save you. Next, we're gonna do the cooler. This is for the last part, the CPU. It cools the CPU. That's cool. It's plastic wrap. Open that up. Take the plastic out. Now the picture. Show y'all. Y'all make sure y'all like the video. This is gonna take a very long time to do and a very long time to edit. Thank y'all in advance. This is gonna tell us how to put it together and stuff. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna need this. I'm definitely gonna be taking my time with this part. I think it's a different language or something. Yeah, got that. Head off to the side. Next, we got the kit. What comes in the kit? We got the radiator right here. Got the radiator. Ooh, I see that right there. Yeah, make sure y'all take, when y'all building your pieces, make sure y'all take this off. This part off. Next, y'all, we got one of the fans. Alright, can you take this out for y'all real quick? Got one of the fans. Spin real nice. Next, we got another fan. And that's for y'all. And that's for y'all. And that's for y'all. Okay. Carefully press those over there. We got one more box in the box. In the box. I think these are screws and stuff, y'all. Yeah, these are screws and stuff. I'm gonna leave that in there. I don't want to lose none of that. Alright, y'all. Next, we got the power supply. It's a 750 watt power supply. This you need this to power your build, so yeah. Alright, y'all, this is a heavy one. It's a 80 plus gold, as y'all can see. 80 plus gold, that means it's very efficient, so yeah, that's all I can say about it. And it's heavy, 750 watts. That bag open. This is how we're set up. We got the brand. I don't know how to say their brand out here. Y'all want to? They sponsor me. Oh, it's like an envelope. It's like an envelope. Oh, it tells me about it and stuff. fully modular too. It's fully modular, so I can use whatever I need to. This information and stuff, I'm just gonna keep this over here in case I need that. And open that up. This thick right here. Premium. And we got the supply right here. These are the cables. So I'll show you all the cables. And just leave that in there. That went there. And right now we have the power supply. And make sure this is the power supply right there. And its own fan. Fully modular, as I can see. Fully modular. 80 plus gold. That's what you need. Alright, y'all. Next we got the motherboard. We got a ROG Strix B550F gaming motherboard. We got a Wi-Fi. A little dusty. Hold on. I had this for a little minute. My fault. Windows 11 ready, and yeah, that's all y'all need to know. Oh, RGB. RGB make your PC faster, I think. And y'all, we got the best part. RTX 4070, overclock distance 12 gigabytes. So yeah, this is the best part, really. My favorite part about it. And this is back, and that's all I need to know. We got the case, kind of heavy. Open it up. This way you look at on the inside. Yeah, got 4 pre-installed fans. Then I think they got RGB fan up here too. Got fans up in the front.
You messed up my thing.
Fans up in the front, man. And yeah, that's the kind of me building all this.
Everybody. We're finna see if it works. Let me turn on the power supply. You have lights. Looks good. Power button. That's good. This is on. These are not on. So we get a post, maybe. Alright, so basically in the clip, so I didn't plug in my GPU, even though it wasn't gonna work anyway because my motherboard was broke. So I went to Geek Squad, got a new motherboard, and yeah, it's up and running. So I'm gonna show y'all some clips of my PC working now, and I might test it out. So yeah, thank you. Subscribe.
hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. You know, I'm gonna put the links in the description for all the parts and stuff, my PC parts and stuff, like the 4070. Yeah, but if you know what I mean. Stay tuned for the gaming video coming up and my setup video coming up when we move. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It's been your brother Yo, and we out. Goodbye.